Hey there, fellow programmers, welcome back to our channel, where we share all things coding and inspire each other to keep pushing forward. Today, we have something special for all the beginner and intermediate programmers out there who are struggling to find motivation. Learning anything new can be challenging, and programming is no exception. But remember, the key is to find ways to make it interesting and enjoyable. One way to do this is by working on projects that excite you. Choose a project that aligns with your interests or solves a problem you're passionate about. This way, you'll be more engaged, and the learning process will become much more enjoyable. Take the time to explore different programming languages and frameworks. Experiment with different tools and technologies. Don't limit yourself to just one area. By diversifying your knowledge, you'll not only discover what you truly enjoy but also increase your chances of finding job opportunities in the future. Let's talk about the lack of job opportunities or means to monetize your coding skills. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and building a successful programming career takes time. Instead of focusing solely on monetization, concentrate on building a strong foundation of skills and experience. This will eventually open doors for you. In the meantime, take advantage of the vast resources available online. Join coding communities, participate in open source projects, and contribute to programming forums. These activities not only provide valuable learning experiences but also help you network with like-minded individuals and potential employers. Additionally, consider building a portfolio to showcase your projects. This can be a website or a GitHub repository displaying your best work. When you're starting out, having a portfolio can be a game changer, as it demonstrates your skills and passion to potential employers. Lastly, don't forget the power of perseverance. The road to success in any field, including programming, can be challenging, but remember, every successful programmer has faced setbacks and obstacles along the way. The key is to stay motivated, keep learning, and never give up on your dreams. So, let's embrace the challenges, find joy in the learning process, and keep pushing forward. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Keep coding, keep exploring, and success will come knocking at your door. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the description below for valuable programming resources.